Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ARC Raiders launch error that says maximum simultaneous game instances reached on PC. This error usually happens when the game or its background process is still running, even though it looks closed. First, we will force close the game using Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Now look through the list of running apps and background processes. If you see ARC Raiders or a process called Pioneer, right-click on it and choose End Task. Make sure there are no ARC Raiders-related processes left running. Once everything is closed, try launching the game again. If the error still shows up, we will do a manual clean of Easy Anti-Cheat. Close the game and any launcher you are using. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Then open Program Files x86. Find the folder named Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Right-click on this folder and delete it. Do not worry, the game will recreate this folder automatically. After deleting the folder, restart your PC. Once your system is back on, launch ARC Raiders again. The game will reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat, and this usually clears the maximum instances error. Thanks for watching.